Hey everybody, Gregory here, and I am beyond excited today because we have Miss Elle, hey Elle, from Dupe That.
So my product that I have to have always, because you'll never know if you're not gonna match.
Hold on, back that up because you're giving me the always. Give me the always. What is it? What is it?
It is the Ion Root Cover. I think I see it over there. Yes.
Why?
So,
why is this your like always?
this is everything, because if you say I put my extensions in, I would put my extensions in first, and then I would see like, oh, I'm not really matching that well.
Little rootitis.
Yes. So I would just take this and I would spray it, kind of like in the middle, like if you were like kind of blending an ombre
Like a
sort
color
of
melting
thing.
or something.
Yes. And then I just comb it through.